Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and today I've got a very easy project for you. Some children's style bookends. Doesn't take a lot of materials to make this. It's a little whale. We need a walnut whale. Before we start on this project, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to this channel because I have brand new woodworking videos like this every Friday. Let's check it out. One thing that's really handy is when I made my bread box, I cut some pieces too wide and I had to cut them down a little bit. So I have this scrap piece of poplar that already has 3/4 inch half-flat joints on it, which is one less thing I'm going to have to do. So I'm going to cut these down for the bases of the bookends, and I've already got a stopwatch set up to do that. And I've set up these things, this compass, so I could get on this line that I marked, and I could scratch a line so I could cut out that circular shape for the top, because we want these to be a little decorative, don't we? After that little bit of sanding, I think I'm ready to start assembling my bookends. The half-lap joints are one of my favorite because you really get a ton of surface area for glue to grab onto. Something I think I could get away with while these are clamped is putting some screws in the bottom. There you go. Just cutting out this whale on the bandsaw. If you don't think you can handle this, look away. There's a damn wheel on there, man. I really like the way it came out. I had a totally different idea for these bookends when I first started building them, but some of the grain lined up really nicely and I ended up not wanting to cover it up, which is why I went with the whale, and they're pretty good, and I'm gonna have a project coming sometime in the near future doing a lot of shelving for kids specifically. Shelving for kids. That's something that'll make the kids excited. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up because that'll help that secret YouTube algorithm. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. New projects every Friday, and Adam and I follow up on those projects every Wednesday. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time.